Good morning, students. Today we start the next chapter of class 10th mathematics, that is arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? Basically, arithmetic progression, it is a sequence in which the next term is differed by previous term by a fixed constant term. Like if I write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we can say it is an example of AP. Now, just compare. When we take the difference of second term to the first term, it is 1. When we take the difference of third term to the second term, that is again 1. Similarly, the difference between fourth term and third term, it is again 1. So, what is arithmetic progression? Basically, arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the next term is differed by previous term by a fixed constant term, and the constant, it may be positive or it may be negative. For example, if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here the each next term is differ by previous term by a constant 1. Simply 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 3, 1, and so on. So we can say 1, that is the first term of AP. I repeat, A1, that is the first term of AP, and it is represented by the symbol A. Now, what is the difference of second term minus first term? Is 1. Again, the difference of third term minus second term is again 1. So, since the difference of each next term to the previous term is constant, so we can say the difference, that is common difference. I repeat, the difference is known as common difference, and it is denoted by T. So, what are the general form of AP? The general form of AP is, that is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. If there is ... means the AP is infinite. It has infinite term. If suppose the given it has 10 terms, 20 term or 30 term, then we can say the AP is finite. So the A is called, that is the first term. A plus D, that is called second term. A plus 2D, that is called third term. Or A plus 3D, that is called fourth term of AP. So we can write the nth term of AP, that is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I repeat, the nth term of any AP we can find by the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. By this method, we can find any term of AP. It may be 10, it may be 20, it may be 30, and so on. For example, if I have to find the 10th term, so what we have to do? We have to put the value of n equal to 10 in this formula. So what is the 10th term? The 10th term will be, that is A plus 9D. It is clear? Simply, if we have to find what is the 150 term, I repeat, what is the 150 term? So that is 150 term, we can write A plus 149D. Now, the common difference, that is D. It may be positive or it may be negative. I repeat, the common difference, it may be positive and it may be negative. If the common difference is positive, so the term of the value of AP, it will be increases like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because the common difference is 1. If I write like this, that is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, ... Clear? When the AP is increases, but the value is decreases. Now, in this case, the difference of 6 minus 7, minus 1, 5 minus 6, again minus 1, 4 minus 5, again minus 1. So, when the value of common difference is positive, the value, we can say the term of AP, it may be increasing order. When the AP is in decreasing order, simply we can say, in this case, the common difference will be negative. Next, how we find the summation of nth term of AP? I repeat, how we find the summation of nth term of AP? Now, the next topic is sum of nth term of AP. Sum of nth term of AP. To find the summation of nth term of AP, the formula is that is Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or sometimes we use the formula that is Sn equal to n by 2 that is a plus l. Now if we have the number of terms, first term of AP and the common difference, then we use the formula number 1. If we have the number of terms, first term and last term, then we will use the formula Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. In the next video, we will solve some problems of arithmetic progression, how we find the nth term of AP and how we find the summation of nth term of AP. Thank you.